Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change sound quality and effects in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to sounds and vibration. Go to sounds and vibration here, and then go to here. Go to here sound quality and effects, and here go to equalizers, and here you can choose from the available profile. First one is normal, then pop, classic, jazz, rock, custom. If you click on custom, you can set your own desired level of sound quality and effects. Okay, you can change here, and yes, this will be the custom profile. Suppose if you would like to use normal, click on the first one. Okay, so you can choose between the available options, or you can choose your own custom equalizers for better sound and effects. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.